Process planning. Process planning is a preparatory step before manufacturing, which determines the sequence of operations or processes needed to produce a part or an assembly. This step is more important in job shops, where one-of-a-kind products are made, or the same product is made frequently. The goal of process planning is to improve and streamline the business methods of a company. This would have results like lower costs due to fewer staff needed to complete the same process, higher efficiency by eliminating problematic process steps like loops and bottlenecks. Here are some of its advantages. A. Planning helps in clearly laying down objectives of the organization for clarity and roadmap. B. Minimizing uncertainties by calculating process variables that may affect the outcomes. C. Better utilization of resources. D. Economy in operations. E. Better coordination between the system components. F. Encourages innovations and creativity. G. Management by exception possible. H. Facilitates control. 1.2.1 Raw materials and components. This type of stock includes the raw materials utilized to shape them into finished product by utilizing manufacturing facility. For adequate supply of finished product, stock of raw material must be monitored and available as per demand. Work in progress. This stock includes the product in between manufacturing process, i.e., the product not completely manufactured. Finished goods. It includes the product completed manufactured, inspected and packed for delivery into consumer market ready for use. Consumables. It includes the material consumed during manufacturing process, i.e., fuel, stationery, raw material, etc. Squaring graphs. It is a typical flow process chart that includes process planning activities and information flows between these activities while representing sequence of operations within process. It is further elaborated into two types. Flow process chart. Operation process chart. A flow process chart is a chart showing the sequence of the flow of a product by way of recording all activities/events under review with appropriate symbols. This chart is similar to operation process chart with the difference that it utilizes symbols of operation, transportation, inspection, delay, and storage as shown in figure. The operation times and distances moved are also recorded along the symbol side. This is also known as outline process chart, and it provides a compact, overall view of the whole system of operations involved in the production of a product. In this chart, only the main activities, i.e., operations and inspections, carried out to complete a job are recorded in the sequence of their occurrence, but irrespective of where they are performed and who performs them. It also doesn't include decision-making step. The figure illustrates a typical operation process chart to conduct an activity of repairing a punctured scooter tire. If a machine learning model makes a prediction based on two features, we can decompose the prediction into four terms: a constant term, a term for the first feature, a term for the second feature, and a term for the interaction between the two features. For example, a model predicts value of house using house size, big or small, and location, good or bad, as features which yields four predictions shown in table. Suggested readings. Thank you for learning with AlphaBold.